Did you just say my name? One large pepperoni pizza. We are already dead. Don't look behind you. It's so dark. Gosh, you scared me. You are fast, but not fast enough. Don't open that door. It seems we are going in circles. Not next time. You won't get away. There is no way out of here. I think this is the wrong way. Probably. Why don't you die? What was that noise? There is a weird face on that wall. Yo, mom is so poor, she can't even afford to pay attention. It's not polite to shoot me. Why? Okay, bye. You can't get rid of me. Help me. Some guy shot me. Oh, never mind, it's just you again. He has no mercy. Killing me won't get rid of me. I'm so tired of dying. I'm scared. You can't escape. Sorry, I had to go to the bathroom. I know why you can't kill me. Stop swinging this thing around. Ow, that hit me. Ah. Tell my wife. I love her. Ugh. The skin is the best part. Killing me won't get rid of me. Shooting me only makes me stronger. I wish I could walk again. I wonder whose fault it is that I can't walk anymore.
Did I scare you?
I'm dead. Help me. Some guy shot me. Oh, never mind, it's just me again. Why can't you just let me die?
Let me educate you.
You killed me. Apologize. You killed me. Apologize. You can't get rid of me.